Hey everybody, it is Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where I spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play, and this is part 3 of Mr. Domestic cleans his sewing room. And look, Alphonso is free just in time so Felicia can go to the spa. And that is what this video is all about, freeing Alphonso from the dreckitude of the mess that I've created in the maelstrom of my sewing room. So if that's what you're here for, before we get into the content, anytime you're enjoying it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get ready to have some fun or something. So I'm back in my room cleaning it, and I've kind of reached the part like whenever you're almost done with a project and then you put it on your work in progress shelf and you just like don't work on it for like a year or so. Like I want to do that right now, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to continue because my room is going to be bombastic when I am done. And my shelves, all of the fabric is pretty much done. They look ooh la la. I'm so impressed with them. And really all I have to do is get the stuff off of my floor, and it's not gonna take long, at least in my head. So I'm gonna tackle the floor. I'll show you before I. So this is what's on my floor right here. Honestly, it's not a lot for I mean it is, but it does. I don't think it's gonna take that long because really I am going to need to just move stuff out of the way, and then I need to go through those boxes right there because I don't know what's in them, and I have a label maker and everything. I'm gonna go extra here. And then this right here, I bought some doors to go there just because I figured I needed that, but it's still gonna look cute on the inside. And then I'm titling this one Freeing Alphonso. Dun, dun, dun. Because even though he's not like totally trapped, this is going to be the last thing I do. This little table. So hence the drama of let's free Alphonso. Before I sign off on day 7, I just wanted to show you all, because I know some of y'all are like, but you probably messed up your desk and you probably messed up this. I just want to show y'all. So I'm going to walk you around my room to show you what's up. Here, my desk is still good. See? It's good. Those just got to go. Oh, that light is bright. And then my shelves, still amazing. Those down here, I mean, that's just stuff I need to find where it goes. I don't even know what goes where or what's in there, and I need to really sit down and think about what I need in here as opposed to in my storage closet. And then this area right here, like that was just something I was given and I don't need it, and it's really for like that tower that I want to use this as like an ironing station, I think, so I want that to be a flat wall. And then over here, this right here, I could do better. Like I love it. It's just not organized, and like in here I don't have the right stuff, and here I don't have the right stuff. Then I have these little shelves. Like I just put crap in there. I have one right there. It needs to be more intentional. And then what is the final thing? Oh, and then this desk. Yeah, Alphonso definitely needs freed now. So I'm signing off for day 7. I'll be back. Hey everybody, so I needed to go to IKEA to get some more furniture. There's one bookcase that I wanted to get originally and I didn't. But now it's like I need it, and I need it for a reason because I know what needs to get in it. And it's gonna help my space out. So yay! Are the box down there where you pick up the box?
Yes.
Can you get it? Is it too heavy?
It's just this.
Okay. IKEA, yay, I found it. It is an Alex shelving system. And when I do my tour, I'll talk more about it. But I have all Alex and Billy furniture. It's a little off-white. I wish it was white, but they are what is most of my room. So this will complete it. I took like a day or two off of doing this because I know that the next step in this is going to make my room a wreck again before it gets clean. And essentially, all of the other storage solutions that I have and the bottom of the shelves behind me, I need to remove everything from them. And then I need to do the whole like joy thing to where if I love it, then I keep it. If I don't, then it's going away. And then from there, I need to see what I have left out of all of these things. And then I need to decide where they need to go and if I need additional storage solutions. And then I had something come up, and I don't know what I'm going to do about it, but okay, hold on. Let's show you. Shelves are beautiful, right? I realized, because originally, I'm going to turn around, so watch out if you get nauseous. Originally, those I wanted here. And I thought that the area here was too shallow. But let me show you, and I'll let you do the math. So, okay. So this right here is that. Okay. Let's do the math. This right here, okay, it's too short, right? And I assumed the other side was too short. But the other side appears to have exactly what I need. There it is. See? It has exactly what I need. So, I think... I mean, if I'm going for perfect, then I need to do it. I think I need to shift the shelves behind me over that way a half of an inch. And they're like bolted to the wall, and I think I might have to remove everything. I don't know. I'm pretty strong, so I might be able to move it. I want to do that, right? I need to make sure the math is perfect if I'm going to do that, because then it would free up this other space. Like, the space there, it would free that up for other storage solutions, right? So I think I have to do that. I just have to. It's very extra. But it's like, I got to do it, right? Okay, folks, I think I might have opened up a rabbit hole. So, I think that they are going to fit. I moved one over there, as y'all can see, but I didn't think about the baseboards. I have baseboards in this room. So, I think since I've already, like, trashed my room for a moment, I'm going to just test to see if there's enough space on the other side for the other one, because it's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. And then I'll just cut the bottom out of the IKEA shelf, I think. Because it will be worth it to be over there. It'll just complete the whole thing. So, fingers crossed it works and it's simple. Yay for rabbit holes. Okay, first off, that was dumb. What was I doing? I did that without planning. Like, who knows how many pounds of fabric was on there? It could have all toppled on top of me, but it sure does look good. And, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I might just leave it like that, like a little bit higher on the sides. It actually looks cute. It doesn't look bad to me because I don't want to like damage the shelves and then I don't want to damage my house. But let me show you. Just in case. I don't have to decide this right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, so that right there, like, I don't know, it's like 3 inches. I think I might like do something, I don't know, I could zhuzh it up, make it decorative to where I don't have to really like hurt any of it. And then maybe have like a little hiding space or put something in front of it. It's really not that crucial at my point because it does look really pretty. So that's what I'm going to do for now. Show you this. Look, that's like a good like 1.5 feet on both sides of the window that I can use for vertical storage like in a different way. Like maybe move that over there or move that. Just there's things, or move this. There's things I can move there, and I'm really jazzed about it. So yay, signing off for this day. I'm pooped. I need to... Everybody, I'm on my floor because I like it, but mainly I'm on my floor because I killed my back. I had to make a chiropractor appointment. I was so stupid, like, and I don't like that word, but that was like legit, like stupid. At 42, you need help when you're lifting heavy stuff. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but my body will heal and I'll take care of it. And so in this video right now, I think I'm gonna do the last of the organization part and like take everything else out of where it is and put it on my floor and then go through it and then figure out where it needs to go, or if I need to get rid of it, or if I need more storage solutions. So let's get ready to rumble! So I decided to stop recording and fast forward me just sitting there. I imagined that was super duper boring and you wouldn't see at all what I was doing. So it looked like I was meditating, and I'm going to keep some stuff secret for the big reveal. But for the final thing for this video, I am going to move the camera to the table that Alfonso is on so that I can free him because I need him because Felicia needs to go to the spa. So that's going to be the end of it. It's just going to be fast forward, and then I'll finish this video, and there'll be like an outro. Yeah! This was fun. Woo! Alphonso! Yay! Yay, Alphonso. Yay! So Alfonso's free. That's super exciting. I'm jazzed. I'm learning that this type of cleaning, to really get it done, it's like your room gets pretty ugly, pretty ugly, pretty ugly. And now it's back to ugly. Let me show you. Because that's how it's going to be. So I wasn't trying to milk this, honestly, but I think that I'm going to have a 4th video before I do the big reveal and give you a tour of my sewing room. But until then, enjoy Alfonso. So, if you enjoyed this video, got a lot for a bird trick, look light. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And I hope you had fun, and I can't wait to see you again. So keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.